everybody, it is time for phonics again, and today we have another new sound from group 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to whiz through the sounds. We're going to learn our new sound, which is ah, ah. We're going to practice our names, and we're going to read and match today. So let's get cracking. We're going to whiz through, starting with our sound from yesterday. What was it? Oh, good. And it's that caterpillar letter. Oh, brilliant. So, like always, say the sound as quickly as you can. And today I'm not going to give you any clues, and I'm not going to tell you the answers. So if you need a bit of help from a grown-up, then you can. If you want to pause on the sound so that you can take a bit more time, then you can. Off we go. There we go, everyone. If those were a bit tricky, then I do suggest that you go back through them. You need to keep practicing your letters as much as you can. All right, so today our new sound is ah, and we're going to get ready for that story now. So here we go. Let me move my camera out of the way as usual. Here we go. A family goes out for a walk. It's very sunny, but the children insist on taking their new umbrellas. Everyone laughs until they notice some big black clouds on the horizon. Up go the umbrellas, up. Can you do it like me? Up. And the children stay nice and dry. Everyone else gets wet. Up. Let's have a little look at how to make ah. So I'm going to use a yellow pencil here. Are you ready? Let's go. We're going to go like a cup. Oh, I've used green instead. A cup and down for the tail. Fantastic. So that was a cup and down for the tail. Brilliant. Well done, everybody. Let's have a little go at sounding out these words. I'll sound out and you listen. Ah, and, and, under. The children are under the umbrellas. What about this one? What am I talking about? Up. 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 Put the umbrella up. Up. Here's the next one. S. Up. Sun. Sun. And the last one. K. Up. K. Up. Cup. I can't see a cup on this picture. All right, it is time for you to get your pen or your pencil ready now so that we can practice together 5 times. Let me put my magic pen on. I think it will work today. And off we go. With we need to start at the top and make a cup shape. And then come down for the tail. Now you try writing on your paper or your whiteboard. Let's try again, the second one. Here we go. Make a cup and down for the tail. You try. We need to do 3 more shapes. And I'd like you to try really hard to get your sitting on the line, like this. Ah. 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 Keep going until you have 5 like me. If you've finished your we can move on. If not, pause the video now. With our shapes, we were trying to keep them on the line like this. Oh, not like that. That went under the line. Let me try again. Maybe I can do it even better sitting on the line. There we go. So my 3rd time I did it nicely, and it's okay that it took a bit of practice. What I would like you to do now, on a line in your book, or if you ask a grown-up to draw a line for you, I would like you to practice writing your name, and I'd like the letters to sit on the line, like me, for Barnes. So off you go. You can write your name, and I would like the letters to sit on the line, please. So your name should sit on the line like Barnes. Don't know why my is staying. When you've finished your name, that is super. You can put your pen down. Because now we're moving on to reading and matching. But first I'd like to play a quick game of What Am I Talking About? So that you know what these pictures are today. All right. So, what am I talking about? Up. Point to the picture. Up. Yes, I'm talking about cup. Let's try another one. What am I talking about? Can you see the sun? Here it is, sun. What am I talking about? Ugh. Point to the ugh. Hug. And the last word is ud. Ud. Mud. So now it's your turn to sound out. These are the words we need. Hug, cup, mud, and sun. Pause the video now to practice sounding out all of those words. You should have paused the video. Now that you've sounded out all of those words, it's time to finish on our video so that you can go away and read and match these words on your Class Dojo worksheet. If you would like to, you can do it here first by pausing the video. That's it, everybody. Thank you for a fantastic phonics lesson, and I'll see all of your fantastic jobs on Class Dojo. Bye!